Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in Forex sentiment, clocking in at plus 0.155, alongside a momentum of plus 0.302. This is significant, because it's pushing above our historical baseline, indicating a heightened market confidence that we haven't observed in recent weeks. With 19 semantic clusters, this data reveals nuanced insights into trader attitudes, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies. For example, you could leverage this sentiment information to enhance your algorithmic trading models, adjusting your positions based on the prevailing sentiment and momentum. Our API returns detailed sentiment and momentum scores, giving you a real-time edge in your trading decisions. Dive deeper into the data and access our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.